Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you a quick tip on how to move your icons around. So we all know that you can navigate between pages by swapping left and right. That's nothing new under the sun. You can also, if you go to these dots here and you click on them, if you just swap between pages this way, you can easily navigate between the pages. That's also not new for some of you, I guess. But what's remarkable though is I see people who just click on an icon or an app rather, and if I try to move it around like this, now it's all wiggly, and you know what that means is that you can either delete an app or move it around. So let's say you want to move it around. Some people do this, and that's also fine. You can just move your apps around by just going between pages. But as you see right now, I'm having struggle going to the next page. So how to solve this problem? Well, actually, it's very simple. You can just use your other hand and keep this icon in the middle and just swap between those pages. And wherever you want your icon to be, you can just release it and that icon will go into his place. So it's actually very simple. So you shouldn't just take the app and swap between pages this way, because yeah, you might have the page, your preferred page where you want to go to, but by using your other hand, you now can freely swap between pages very easily without having any struggles. What you also can do is go to these dots here and just navigate between the dots. Now it's even better to go between those pages. You go way faster and you can just quickly navigate to your preferred page. And yeah, that's actually a quick tip that I want to share with you. It's just that simple. You can use it on a daily basis. You can use it whenever you want to swap those apps around. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you this quick tip. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.